Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 11th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, and today I think it's the 6th or 7th day with temperature above the 30 degrees, so the heat wave continues. Yes. Let's see with this medium Sudoku. This medium Sudoku will be the number 1323. 123 1323. Yes, 123 1323. Yeah, is this correct? 13. Let me check. The number. Yes, the number is correct. 1323. I think the heat is the cause. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so I can compare what kind of medium Sudoku this is. Is it a 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, or 4 stars in the additional of this newspaper? 1 star has 27, the 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24 printed numbers. We have here 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, 20, 22, plus 4 is 26. So you can compare, it's a 2 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 3, and then 9. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information in other boxes. Big squares. We have a 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then the 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. For the 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about the 2 in this row? The 2 in the middle row, so on the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 8. I see here the 2 and the 4. So in this box, no 2 and a 4 and a 4. 1 digit left should be the 8. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 and a 4. Let me see. 2 and a 4. That means we need a 9 in one of those 3 boxes. One of the missing number is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the 6 and the 7. 2 and a 4, 6 and a 7. We see here the 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. We have a 6 in the third row. 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first column. 6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column. The only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are... I'm missing a 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row are both. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Let me see. We have a 2 in this column. 2 in the third column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 2. Here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 4. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, alright. How about the number 1 and 3. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 9. Need to wait. How about the number? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 7, 8, and 4. Eight, 7, and 1. Alright. Yes. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 7, the 8, and the 4. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or could be there. We have a 7 in this column. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. One, 2, 3, 8, and I'm thinking 3, 8, 3, 8, and a 4. No. Let me see. 4 and 8. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 2 numbers are the 4 and the 8. And look, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. How about these 2 numbers? The 7 and the 4 are left. 7 and a 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. These 3 numbers, the 1, the 3, and the 8. 1, 3, and 8. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 7. Yeah. How about the number 8, 4, 4, and 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 8, 4. No. 4 we have. 4 we need. 8, 3, 8, and the 9. Well. I think I need to mark some boxes so you can follow it easier. Alright. Let's see. These 2 should be the 7 and the 4. Let me mark them. 7 and a 4. Then up here, the 1 and the 7. In this column, first column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no one there, here one, no one there, here one, no one there. So the only place for the 1 should be there. And I have eliminated the 7 should be there then. Here. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. I think the 7 should be here because we have a 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 should be there. The other 2 numbers, the 8 and the 9. I cannot fill this yet, but it's up here. 8 and the 9. Let me fill this for you. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7. And this should be the 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. Can I fill this? Yes, we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column, the 3rd column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Can I fill these 2 numbers? The 3 and the 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 8. How about this? 2, 3 and a 1. 3 and a 1. Yeah, we have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column. 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here. Or there we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. And now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 9 and this should be the 8. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 9 goes there. Yes, it's finished in 18 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Look, I'm sweating. It's too hot here. And the ventilator is... wow, is running as an engine. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this Sudoku PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, you can also subscribe, only if you like, only if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you, take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the additionals, with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now.